Good morning, everybody. It's Alexa. Alexa, what is daily vlogging?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, what is house husband?
I'm not sure.
Alexa, good day.
Same to you.
All right.
We've only just begun.
One of our bin or trash bin is broken. So this morning I wake up and I saw that there's only one bin. And I was like, what the heck? Where's the other one? Because I'm pretty sure that I put it out yesterday night. And then I called the services. The one bin you have is broken and it fell off inside of the trash truck. I was like, what the heck? But then they will replace it, that's what they said. But yeah, just want to share this mirror that we have. We bought this from IKEA. It's just that I'm Haggard over Sosa. Alright. And this one, Ode's idea. But the thing is, he couldn't really read it because it blends in the color. So family rules, help share. So it's just like a saying. But I like the fact that Ode put the clock on the in line with that. It's like exclamatory portion. Man, I'm uploading daily right now, and still editing, and it takes like 43 minutes to export. So by the way, I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. That's my favorite editing software, and I'm not really a advanced skills with that. I'm just like in the intermediate. Sorry for my English. What else should I do today? Oh yeah, Ode told me to put a photo over here because 1, 2, 3 we have a lot of picture frames, but I don't have a time to select photos and edit or like enhance it and then put on a frame, because before I am a photo bomber. No, photo enthusiast, right? And right here is Ode's assignment. Oh no, my assignment. Ode gave me an assignment to install. Wait, where is that? This guy. Install this motion activated floodlight. And I think this one is just a bulb for this one. I'm not really sure though. But yeah, I'm going to install that if I have time, if it's not raining. So come along with me and let's make mambo. Right, so I'm going to replace this thing. Motion sensor floodlight, let there be light. And yeah. Kapoy. Right, so I'm here in our bathroom and doing the caulking thing. I'm redoing the caulking because what they did here is such an unprofessional way and it's not nice to look at. Okay, I'll show you guys. So this one is a caulking, okay? They just caulk it like this and it's pretty obvious it's white. It doesn't blend in with the color. By the way, this is a marble, cultured marble. Right here, this one I did put silicone clear caulking, so see the difference. You wouldn't really notice that one. I don't know. So right here, I just remove the old caulk all the way there. I will remove that thing. Oi, focus, die, focus. So I will remove that. This side I put new already, so this is kind of new. So it's a little bit like neat because I will paint this into white ceiling. So this will be, it will blend the white caulk to this one, so it has like a border. So this bathroom haven't yet a new paint. This is the old paint of the house. It's like a coffee cream, something dark coffee cream. So this is the maintenance 101. Ouch. By the way, if you don't know how to remove a caulking, you just use a razor blade and just do like that, then remove it. Okay, so that's how you remove caulking. Alright, good morning. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:48 a.m.
So I just arrived and I work like graveyard shift. So by the time I arrived, Ode left for work already, which kinda sad. At last they call me for a job, and I hope they will call me for tomorrow, or I don't know. And shucks, I have a dirty hand because I tried to check the tire because I thought it was a flat or like insufficient fans. No, insufficient air. So I kind of like have a palm check. So anyway, I will be sleeping and I will be editing later on and do house chores. Alright guys, good morning, but for me, good night. Bye. I just woke up and Alexa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Listen to your tweets. The Twitter reader skill allows you to listen to tweets from your timeline, learn what's trending in your city, and hear your mentions. Just say, Alexa, enable Twitter skill to get started.
What? But I don't tweet. I think I have Twitter, but nah, it's not my thing. But anyway, so I'll just give you an update of my painting scenario. Look at that ceiling. Ooh. Hey, focus girl. Focus girl. So I paint this twice already, or second coat. I do really need to do a third coat on this one, because right here you could see still like the shadow of the paint, or I don't know, shadow, or like you could still see it's not fully covered. So this is a darker colors to a lighter colors, so you should like do it probably 3 times. Okay, so that one I put caulking on that one, so it look nice, look like straight, but the camera is not focusing. Dang. So I guess I hope I could upload this video or vlog, because I'm trying to, my muta is, ooh, nice weather. Not really, but it's okay. Adjust. So, what else should I say? Time right now is like almost 12, and I hope they will not call me for work. No, they will not call me for work today, for sure. Yeah, I'll just continue edit and see you in the next clip.